watches over me. So she said she can't be messed with, and that is because her God looks over her. Chimlezimanya. Chimlezimanya's names give him the power to be self-reliant, industrious, and good at reading people. All right, so let me know what you think. Did I get the translation right? Is that a fitting name for her? Chimlezimanya.